Hello guys, this is Vandana here from EME Technologies. Today I am going to tell you how to install a JDK in your desktop. So I am going to tell you how to install a JDK in your desktop. So you have to download it from the internet. I already downloaded it, so I have that software JDK. I have the version 9.0.1 for the Windows 64. You can download it from the internet also. So just right click on that and run as an administrator. So now as you can see that installation will be started. So I'm going for the next option here, and this is your tool, and your Java files will be installed in C, program files, Java and JDK. You want to change your location, you can change it from here also. I'm not going to change it. So go for the next. Now as you can see that installation will be started. Now it's your program will be installed. Go for the next, and now it's installing a Java. Now as you can see, the Java is installing. And your Java is installed, and close the file, and this is your Java installation. Thank you for watching us. Please like and subscribe the channel.